How to change password on FBS.com account. Hello and welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to update your FBS account's password for security region or whatever region, here's how you can do it quickly and easily. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in fbs.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're logged into your FBS account's homepage. And once you're inside the dashboard, go to the Profile Settings button on the left-hand side menu. From your Profile section, you will see several different options, from where you need to scroll down and click Edit right next to Password option. Now, enter your current password for your account in the first field, and then get to the new field and write down the new password you want to change to, including the criteria at the top. Now repeat the password once again in the next field, the new one of course. Finally click Create Password, and this will change your password immediately in your FBS account. Now next time whenever required, you'll need to enter the newly updated password. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.